Hi guys, welcome to this session. So in this session, we'll see how we can make use of the audience manager section of the Reddit ads account. So like we spoke about it earlier as well, audience manager is primarily a feature which will help you to create some custom audiences which you can target as well. So let's have a look at this. So when you go on the top left corner and here under the campaigns, you will have audience manager. So from here, you can create some custom audiences. As you can see over here, so custom audiences, as we spoke earlier also, is the audience which has been interacting with your business. Okay, so there can be various types of custom audiences which you can create. The first one is customer list. Customer list is primarily those people, those users who have been visiting your website and they have done business with you. So you have been able to collect their information, like their name, email address, phone number. That information you can upload over here, and then Reddit ads would be able to target them, show them ads, and advertise your products and services. So this is where you can upload the file. There is a specific template also given by Reddit ads in which format you can go ahead and upload the details, like the emails specifically. And then you can use this custom audience to target your users, people who have been doing business with you, people who have provided their information like their name, email address to do business with you. That's the first type. The second one is website retargeting. This is a case where people have visited your website, they've checked out your products and services, did not buy and left. In such a case, their data can also be collected and then we can target our ads on them. So that's your website retargeting where we can create this. So this will require your conversion event to be set up, conversion tracking to be set up on your website, which will collect that data. So here you just need to select the conversion event. So people, let's say, who are filling up the form, people who are purchasing, people who did a page visit on your website. So that can be tracked as per your requirement, whatever you want to track. So you can choose from these options, and based on which tracking can be done, we can target those particular users on your on Reddit's platform. So let's say I want to target those people who visit my website, who check out my product. So in such a case, I will create a website retargeting related page visit specific website retargeting audience. And this will be linked to one of the campaigns which I have on the platform. So I'll show you that as well. So that's your website retargeting, second option. Third is lookalike. Lookalike audiences are those audiences which are similar to our custom audiences which we have been targeting. People who have been doing business with us, interacting with our website. So now Reddit will try to see other audiences which are similar to your custom audiences, people who share the same interest, same traits as your custom audiences is what is your lookalike audience, which you can create. For this, you need to choose a custom audience which you're already using. And then the last one which you get here is Reddit engagement retargeting, which is a case where we want to target those people who are engaging with our ads, people who are engaging with our ads, people who have seen our ads, people who have clicked on our ads, or people who have watched our videos, video ads. So that also can be a kind of a custom audience which you can create, and then you can target them again with your Reddit ads going forward. So these are the 4 types of custom audiences which you can create here. Once you create this custom audience here, you can link it to your campaigns, which we have created as we saw earlier also. So you can go to any of your campaigns. And you can go to the campaigns ad group settings where you can go ahead and do the custom audience targeting. So this is where you will be able to add those custom audiences and you can target those specific users as well. I hope this makes sense. I hope you understand now how custom audiences can be created from the audience manager section of the Reddit ads platform.